Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. A few of you guys requested some links. It's super windy out here right now. This is the only time I got because the car is actually on a used lot right now, and this one is going to be sold in a few days, of course. Yeah, so you guys wanted like the performance links and stuff like that, the exterior, you know, the side skirts, the front lip and stuff. You wanted links in the description, so I will go ahead and drop in the links in the description below. And anything else you guys need help with, just DM me at redlinemods.official. And also my second IG, Street Dynasty _official. And that's that. Super windy and freezing, guys, so I'm gonna end it here, and I'll provide everything in the description below. Peace out, until next time.